I feel I can do anything. I can right now fly out of this window and save the world. I've had 2 cups of coffee today. Hi, if you're still here, thank you so much. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and stopping to watch by even after thinking that I'm mad and crazy. I am Iman Chandra and I genuinely welcome all of you on this channel. I am going nuts because I have had 2 cups of extra strong caffeine today and we are going to talk about the same thing. It is dun, 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 the Rage Coffee, which is raving on my Instagram page. I have seen so many ads from them, and at first I did not notice, but it happens, when you keep on seeing the same thing again and again, you're like, okay, just tell me what is it about. Yeah, so I did the same thing and I visited their website and I came to know that this is a page for great coffee, instant coffee, which has amazing flavors. Now, my ass runs to Starbucks when I wanna have coffee, but if I'm gonna able to make flavorful coffees at home, I'm grabbing it. So I went ahead and bought my coffee. Yes, I bought 3 of them. If you buy all 3 of them together, you would get 200 or 300 off on the total order. So I got this for the original price was, and the individual price, if you want to buy a single jar, then the price will be okay. So I guess it's a good investment because look at the jar sizes, and I think this is gonna last you for a year very easily, but that also depends on how much coffee you have and how many friends you have. So this will last me 2 years because I have only one best friend and I have coffee only once a day, sometimes not even that. So the flavors that I got are creme caramel, which tastes heavenly, Irish coffee, which tastes so oh sorry, it is Irish hazelnut coffee, you know, which tastes really good, and then we have this. When I received the package, it was written fragile over it, which is really good because so that the glass jars don't break. Now, you would think that it's such a small thing to do, but not many brands do that. Okay, and it is doing it, so it's really good. And then there were lots and lots and lots of bubble wraps. So, we are going to continue like this. Okay, never mind. So, the boxes were packed in bubble wrap, the jars were packed in bubble wrap, and I also got a note. God, yeah. I also received a note which is a welcome note, and they are welcoming me to their family. But the only thing that interested me was if you don't love Rage Coffee, we will refund your order, no questions asked. That's really great. So enjoy and feel 100%, they say. And when I ordered it, I also received an email from the CEO of the company, Bharat Sethi. Now I know that was an automated email, but still it feels really good to that the brand is communicating with you. And it was not to inform me anything, it was just to welcome me in their family, like Rage family. Now, one thing that this rage people really rave about is the energy that their coffee gives, and you might have seen its effect in this video till now. So, it says that it will give you a boost of energy which will last for a very long time. There are many people who say that I run on caffeine, I need coffee to function, and they keep on having coffee after coffee for the whole day. But if you try this one, you really need only 2 cups for a day, I guess. They also say that this will not give you any acid reflux, which is very good because I have not had acidity even after having 2 cups of it. Because I tend to usually get acidity very quickly, even after 1 cup of tea or 1 cup of coffee. So that was yay. But I just felt a little bit warm in my stomach as soon as I had the coffee. I don't know. And the most amazing thing about this coffee is it is just like lipstick. Girls, back up me here, that just the way lipsticks are rebuildable, this coffee is buildable. Like if you want mild, put a little bit, if you want strong, put more. How to explain this? Like, point is, it is not very strong in itself, but if you increase the quantity, it will become strong. There are coffees which you, even if you take half teaspoon, it gives very strong taste, so I don't like those coffees. Third thing is, they also have natural vitamins and so much more. I need to read for that. Okay. It has L-theanine, L-glutamine, ginkgo biloba, bacopa monnieri, pinax ginseng, rhodiola rosea, and what I'm about to read is a little bit confusing. It says that it enhances your physical performance as well as your subjective well-being naturally. It can help you excel in all the areas by overcoming the physical and mental boundaries with just the perfect combination of caffeine and plant-based cognitive enhancers. Now, I know that they mean something different here, like mental boundaries means if you're feeling demotivated, tired or lazy, then it will, give your brain some energy to work. Maybe they meant it that way, but it feels really weird to read that. Okay, it feels like I can drink this and I can be a superwoman and save the world, or I can be Vanya and I can destroy everything. Umbrella Academy fans, I am going to rate this coffee 10 out of 10, and this is the first time I'm giving any product 10 out of 10, and we have a winner here because it's really good. It's affordable according to me because you are getting a good amount, good quality and good quantity of stuff in 800 rupees. Even it's for 1200 or 1100, then it's a good deal, right? And they, plus they're going to last you for very long. The quality is really good. You are getting flavors, you are getting performance and what not, and plus the brand cares about you. It's a yay for me. So even if you want to buy this, then I'll leave the Instagram link in the description box. Go and check it. I don't have any coupon codes because they don't even know that I'm making this video yet. If you like this video and share it with your friends, maybe they'll notice it. And I think I need one more cup of coffee now. So I'm gonna try all the flavors once again, and I'm gonna create my own central perk here, and I'm gonna video call my friend and watch Friends with her. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.